Meaning of furnace.
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 Furnace. A furnace is a device designed to generate heat and maintain a high temperature, typically for the purpose of melting or smelting metal ores. Furnaces are commonly used in industrial settings to refine materials and produce alloys. They work by heating a fuel source, such as coal or natural gas, to create intense heat, which is then transferred to the material being processed. Furnaces can reach extremely high temperatures, often in excess of 1000 degrees Celsius. The intense heat can cause material to melt, bond, or transform in other ways, depending on the desired outcome.